Hi guys, it's Ilene here. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a JULIENUTTING tag that is for a swap, which is hosted by Karyn Small Crafting and Donna Powered by Creativity. I only have Donna's channel. I don't know the other lady, and I hope somebody will let me know. But in the meantime, I'm going to link what I know down below. So this swap is all about JULIENUTTING. It's the year of JULIENUTTIng, and for this month, for mailing it by September, it's obviously fall themed. So this is what I created, guys. I really had a very fun time doing this. Look at all the details I put on here. I'm gonna get the camera angle a little bit better for you guys. So here's the tag, guys. I wanted to get closer and show you what I've done. So you can see up top, I have stitched all around the entire tag. You could sort of see it better from this angle, or this side rather. So I stitched all around with orange thread, and it looks really cool. Up at the top here, I have layered under. There's a couple of like maple leaves, and I have these stickers I got from Michael's giving thanks. And then here is my lovely JULIENUTTING. I love how she looks, super full, super cute, and I decided to put her up next to this truck and bunch of pumpkins. So this image down here with the blue truck and all these cool pumpkins and sexy JULIENUTTING standing next to it, I had ended up buying this ribbon here, guys. I used just this tiny section of it. Cool ribbon. I have to find something else to do with it because you get a lot here. You get, it's wired actually, and then it's 2.5 inches by 25 feet. So you get a lot of this, and I only used this tiny little portion down here so that she could stand up next to it. And I did end up stitching this on to my tag. I loved the dimension that it gave, and I love these textures. This is actually this orange. I have to remember now that it's part of that package at the Dollar Tree that they gave you all those scrap pieces of various colors. And then her headband there, and you could see I have 2 leaves layered back there, and I did distress a little. So yeah, guys, this is my tag for this swap, and I hope whoever gets it loves it. Going along with the JULIENUTTIng theme, I did want to just share this other project that I had been working on, and it's just a mini little pocket letter swap. And what I did on the side was stitch the fabric, the little ribbon, because it's super full and the words go that way. And then this very first pocket, I thought it came out really cute. I made a little ATC with an inside so she could have a little note from me in here and some ribbon. Very cute. I added the little glitter up on the piece of pumpkin pie, layered it with the acorn and the little gobble. I love sequins, so I had to do these sequins in here, and it's leaves and pumpkins and stars, and it's cute. Oop, and my goodies are falling out the back. And then my JULIENUTTIng tag over here. Cute. I love this one. I used some of that ribbon, burlappy ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and just added her and just a little leaf. This was from that bling. I cut the leaf out and just wanted to add it and keep it kind of simple. And yeah, that was my JULIENUTTIng tag here. So that was my mini little pocket letter, guys. And then I plan to make some sort of tassel to attach over here. I did punch a hole right through the ribbon so that I could make a little tassel of some sort. Alright guys, that is it for today. That was my video to share a couple of channels and some JULIENUTTIng fun and fall ideas. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down below. I love reading your comments. As always, guys, I hope you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.